Welcome back to Rishi Quant Research. I think the day before yesterday, I gave you Nifty 50 levels, okay, for 27th of May. I gave you Nifty 50 levels for on Tuesday for Wednesday. So before we move forward and I give you levels for tomorrow, that is Friday, let's go back and see how the previous levels have worked out. We'll take a quick review of how those levels have fared on Wednesday. As you can see, these were the levels which I gave you, Nifty 50 levels which I gave you. And here you can see beautiful resistance, textbook resistance exactly at 23,980. This is what happened. Let's see if we can replay this. We have got a new feature in this. Oh no, the drawings are gone. So we won't be doing that. So this is what happened. These were the levels, and you can see exactly how the price has taken the valid resistance and settled in between 23,980 and 23,780. Okay. So tomorrow is a Friday and it is likely to be a less volatile tomorrow's market. So we will see, let's see the Bollinger Bands. Yes, see on hourly again. On Fridays, generally what happens, Bollinger Bands, both Bollinger Bands, upper and lower Bollinger Bands become flat and medium becomes flat. Okay, that's what happened. So Bollinger Bands becoming flat means price is settling and consolidating, and it is coiling to give you explosive move on Monday. That's what happens. So convergence of Bollinger Band or squeezing of Bollinger Bands means price is coiling or consolidating to give you explosive move on the Monday. That's what happens generally on Friday. If you can go back and refer to my videos of Thursdays, you can see Bollinger Bands squeezing for Friday. Okay, so generally Fridays are less volatile unless there is any global event. Okay, that's what happens on Friday. So let's switch off this Bollinger Band. I'll delete these levels. You can see again it is superb the manner in which this resistance is taken by the price. Sweet. Okay, so that's it, and we will get the levels for tomorrow. Okay, okay, I'll run my code and see. First is 23,910. First level is 23,910. Second level, upper side 24,070. 24,070 and again 24,170. Yes, that is the second level. Here you can see that. Third is 24,360. These three are enough for tomorrow. Okay, I'll get another one just to be sure. 24,420. 24,420. These are the levels for upside. Let's go get the levels for downside. 23,780. 23,780. 23,640. 23,600. So how long is that from current market price? On near 300 points. We need some more levels. 23,500. Okay, and level below that is 22,940. So we don't need that. It's unlikely that the market will go drop 1,000 points. Okay, in a one day tomorrow. That also on the weekend, Friday. So let's hope it does not fall 1,000 point and is less volatile. So yes, these are the levels for tomorrow. Please register these levels again. Okay, these are the levels. These are the levels for tomorrow. Okay, we'll just save this, download image. Yes, let's see what happens tomorrow. And also I want to remind you that tomorrow is a weekend, that is Friday. So maybe on Saturday and Sunday, as you can recall, last weekend I gave you weekly levels of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's see how those levels have fared throughout the week. Okay, and I will to in this weekend I will be giving you key levels for top 10 Nifty stocks weekly for the next week. And also I think it is, yes, 30, yes, I think it is month end. So I'm also giving you the monthly levels of top 10 Nifty stocks, and we will review those levels at the end of next month, that is end of June. We will review those levels, how the levels for those levels of those top 10 Nifty stocks have worked for throughout the month. And also I'll give you levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty, monthly Nifty and Bank Nifty. So in this weekend, I will be starting with the new series of monthly levels for top 10 Nifty stocks, Nifty index, and Bank Nifty index. Last weekend, I have already started with the weekly weekly key levels. Okay, and from this week, I will be adding to that top 10 Nifty stocks. So that's what I wanted to remind you. And that's it from my side. I'll see you in a couple of days. Thank you.